Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create an Outlook rule with specific words in the body. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account to load in your emails. Once everything has loaded and you can see your inbox, you're ready to begin setting up your custom rule. Now direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. Navigate to the Home tab, and once you're there, look for the Move section within that menu. This is where Outlook organizes all your email management tools. From this section, you'll see the Rules button. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with additional options. From the list that appears, click on Manage Rules and Alerts. This will open the main interface where you can create and customize your email filtering rules. A Rules and Alerts window will now appear on your screen. From here, click on the New Rule button to start creating your custom rule. You'll see several template options presented to you. For this tutorial, click on Apply Rule on Messages I Receive, which allows you to filter incoming emails based on specific criteria. After selecting this option, click Next to move forward with the configuration process. Now you're at the condition setting stage where you'll define what triggers your rule. Look through the list of available conditions and find the option that says with specific words in the body. Click on the checkbox next to it to enable this condition. This is the key feature that allows Outlook to scan the content of incoming emails for particular words or phrases you want to filter. Next, you need to define which words will trigger this rule. Look at the bottom part of the Rules and Alerts window, and you'll notice a blue underlined link that says specific words. Click on this link and a search text window will appear. In the provided field, enter the specific word or phrase you wish to filter. For example, you might enter urgent, meeting, or invoice depending on what you're trying to organize. After typing your word, click Add to include it in your rule. Keep in mind that you can add multiple words to this rule if needed, which gives you more flexibility in filtering your emails. Once you've added all the words you want, click OK to confirm your selections. Now click Next again to proceed to the action stage. This is where you decide what Outlook should do when it finds an email containing your specified words. You can choose to move it to a specific folder, assign it a category, delete it, or select from various other actions presented in the list. Choose the action that best suits your workflow and organizational needs. After you've selected your desired action, click Finish to complete the setup process. And that's it. Outlook will now automatically react to every email that contains the specific words you defined, performing the action you selected. This helps you stay organized and ensures important emails are automatically sorted without any manual effort on your part. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.